What's the date today?
Today is
Wednesday, the 22nd of May, and we're getting ready to do the CA Petro Driver Challenge here in Concord, North Carolina.
Yes, sir. So here we are. We're going to start. This is our start and stop spot.
Okay.
Kind of the same thing as Dallas, except without the tape. You remember how we had the tape at the end of the tire? We had to be in a certain area.
Yeah.
Anyway, you see how the truck is now? It has to be a little the trailer a little bit behind the last cone, and the truck a little bit past the last cone on that side. So no really specific area you need to be in, just as long as you're within this area and make an effort to pull all the way in. Anyway, that's where you're going to start. You're going to pull straight on out.
Straight on out.
And we're going to go around this big cone up here.
Go around the laughing barrel.
Yes, sir. And you see we kind of drew some arrows on the ground, kind of help you guys out. I know it might be a little difficult to see when you're in the truck.
Right.
Anyway, going straight out, come around the cone.
Okay.
And now we're going to come between these tennis balls. And now you don't want to hit these tennis balls.
Do not hit the tennis balls.
Kind of simulates a gate, if you will.
Right. So do not hit the tennis balls.
You maybe have an inch on each side to play with.
Oh, and
not much. It's all about
parallel parking.
Oh yeah.
Why are y'all all up in this parallel parking crap?
Yes, sir.
All
right. So after you do the tennis balls, you're coming up here to the 12-inch stop. Let me fix this piece of tape real quick.
Got to get the nose between the pieces of tape.
Yes, sir. I'll explain for them a little better. Right now,
take your foot and stomp on that.
Tape is what we're using. Insides of the tape is what we're using to measure the 12-inch stop.
Okay.
So once you make your stop, sorry, I gotta cut the change gears.
All right.
Make your 12-inch stop. Now you're back to a parallel park. And now you have about 100 feet right here, so you're not allowed any pull-ups. You should be able to make it all in one swing. Making your parallel park, no pull-ups. Each pull-up counts as basically hitting one cone. That's 5 points. And now do you see the yellow tape here?
You want it inside the yellow tape?
It has to be on the inside of the yellow tape, not on the outside. Just
you do realize you are the devil.
Yes, sir. We've had 3 people complete this part.
Okay.
So it's doable, but it is difficult.
Why don't you give us a chance and put that yellow tape all the way back there?
What's that?
Put a piece of yellow tape all the way. Well, never mind. Okay, the yellow tape lines up with that.
With the tires, yes, sir.
Okay.
So if you're working back all the way up, your tires will be right in line with that yellow tape.
Okay, so we got a nose up to that one, back into that one.
Yes, sir. No pull-ups. You should be able to do it all in one sweep back.
Right.
Once you make your parallel park, you're going to come just like this. C7 right there to the left of C7.
Left to C7.
And you're going to come up here to these cones. Now this is not a 12-inch stop. All this is a reference, because once you make your stop here, you're going to be going backwards. So all this does is going to help you get your truck and trailer aligned to go backwards.
All right, time out now. Where are we going backwards to?
Straight through those cones right there.
Oh!
Coming backwards just like this.
You are Yeah, okay. All right.
Straight back.
Right.
Through the cones. Don't hit any of them.
Right.
Now you're coming to your next 12-inch stop.
12-inch
Now this 12-inch stop, you know, is a little more difficult. It's more so of a guess rather than actually being skilled to be able to do it. Again, same thing. Inside of the tape is how we're going to mark our 12 inches.
Yeah. Okay.
Make your stop, and now you're pulling on out.
All right.
Pull on out. You're going. See that yellow arrow? Follow the yellow arrow.
Good Lord.
Right here.
Okay.
Coming to the right side.
Yeah.
You're going to swing it all the way around. Any kind of way you want to. We're going for these 2 cones right over here. So we're going to swing it.
Okay.
Come between the cones.
Through the cones.
And now you're right back to the start and stop. So you're going to pull back into the start and stop spot. Just like it is now.
Right. Okay.
And then once you cut your air brakes, I'm going to stop the clock.
All right.
Any questions? Anything else you want to see again? You want me to run you through it all one quick time, or?
No.
You good?
No, we're going to try.
All right. Well, good luck, and I'll start the clock as soon as I see your tires move.
All right. Who do I blame?
Jacob McClendon. That's me.
All right. That's what. Yeah. All right. All right. Y'all heard him. Thank you. Let's see what we can do here. And once again, I didn't bring them out. Let's see if we can. Is there any place to put y'all that would be more interesting? Here, let's try this. Alright, I'm sorry y'all can't see outside, but you can see the shifter, you can see the steering. If I explode like the drummer on Spinal Tap, you'll have a front row seat. Alright. Is this the one? That's the one. And once again, they got this visor in the way. Alright. You think? Alright. Holy crap, they got like 1.5 inches on these cones on both sides. These tennis balls. Oh, and I'm not 90 degrees to these son of bitches. I don't even. Okay, all right. I can see. I can see. I can see. I can see. Oh, yep. Almost, not quite. Yep, hit that one. Damn it. Knocked the damn. What did I knock off? A clearance light. With the tennis ball. Yeah, I should have been 90 degrees. Wasn't quite 90 degrees. Parallel parking. Who in the hell? Just who in the hell? This is so wrong. Parallel parking a big truck. This is just wrong. Where is it? Hold on. There it is. So which is worse? Not the, I don't know. All right, now where am I going next? Where am I going next? All right. Oh, okay. Here we go. Oh, damn. Not good. Not good at all. Damn it. Hold on. We might get it, maybe. Yeah. Yeah, I'm bad about getting in a rush. Damn it, I know I'm knocking over every cone. Oh. Yep, yep. Knocking them all over. Knocking them all over. Knocking them all over. Yeah. Whee! All right. Oh my God. Did I turn the lights on? I turned the lights on. Oh, okay. Well, I just turned them off. Damn it. All right. There you go.